The Southwest Pacific saw its hottest year ever in 2024, with record-breaking temperatures, extreme weather events, and unprecedented marine heat waves, according to a June 5 report by the World Meteorological Organization (WMO). The region, which includes Australia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Pacific Island nations, experienced the highest average surface temperature since records began, driven largely by the 2023-24 El Nino. Countries like Brunei, Singapore, and the Philippines reported their hottest year in history. Western Australia recorded scorching highs of 49.9 degrees Celsius in Carnarvon and 49.3 degrees Celsius in Geraldton, breaking century-old records. Climate extremes went beyond just heat, while areas like southern Australia and New Caledonia suffered from severe droughts. Others, such as Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Northern Australia, faced some of the heaviest rainfall in 30 years. The Philippines saw an unusually intense cyclone season, with 12 named storms between September and November 2024, twice the average. Damages were estimated at over $430 million. Ocean conditions were equally alarming. The average sea surface temperature for 2024 was the highest ever recorded. Marine heat waves affected nearly 40 million square kilometers, over 10% of global oceans, surpassing previous records. These extreme ocean temperatures are threatening marine ecosystems and coastal communities. The report also noted accelerated glacier loss in Western New Guinea and Indonesia, with glaciers shrinking by up to 50% between April 2022 and August 2024. If this trend continues, the region could lose all remaining tropical glaciers by 2026. Sea levels in the Southwest Pacific have risen faster than the global average over the last 3 decades. Coastal regions like Fiji's Serua province are already facing severe impacts: damaged homes, flooded land, and lost crops due to encroaching waters. WMO Secretary General Celeste Solo warned that sea level rise poses an existential threat to island nations and called for urgent action to build climate resilience. The report emphasized the importance of early warning systems and community preparedness, highlighting a case from the Philippines where proactive action helped protect lives and cultural heritage. This is the 5th WMO report tracking climate change in the Southwest Pacific since 2020, each underscoring the region's increasing vulnerability to extreme weather and rising seas.